What's going on, everybody? JDM Ricky here on another day. Another beautiful day out here in Okinawa. Get ready to look at some drifting. Right now they're out here trying to dry out the track, so just stay tuned. We'll have some good videos coming up. Might get some videos of the cars that we got out here right now. All right. So right now it looks like they're almost a junkyard, but supposedly up at this circuit, it looks like you guys are able to rent these out. Not sure, some of them look like they've been sitting here for a long time. If any of you guys are local or out here in Okinawa, this is at the Yanbaru circuit up in Nago. Had to get up pretty much at, been up since 6 o'clock this morning. About a good hour and a half, 2 hour drive just to get up here. But just look at some of the cars you got up here. Most of these cars are completely gutted, ready for drifting. Got a true JDM legend right there, Hachiroku. This Altezza is completely gutted on the inside. All you have is one seat. It's a bride seat. I'm excited. It's gonna be a good day. I hope you guys are excited for this event. Like I said, stay tuned. It's gonna be a good time. If you guys could just see this view that's up here right now, just deep up in the mountains. As you guys can see, and the track is dry now. Everybody out here, they're getting a little bit more comfortable out here. Oh man, I'm so excited to get out here today. All right, guys, so we just did a ride along with one of the drivers out here. Oh my God, that was amazing. If you ever get the chance to do it, go ahead and try it. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Man, I don't know if you guys can see the smile on my face, but that was crazy. And I got to see a tandem. All right, guys, so we just came back from a lunch break. But right now, it's actually looking like it's about to start raining soon, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this like anything else. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.